Here is a very interesting problem. And what we try to do here is we want to find the largest prime factor of 2 to the 17th minus 32. In order to find largest prime factor, obviously we have to factor this number to prime factorization, which means all the factors must be prime numbers. But this number 2 to the 17 is kind of big there. Without using calculator, and it's a little bit difficult to find this number there. So what we try to do here is, without using calculator, we try to make the number smaller first. And 32, we know that 32 is 2 to the 5th. So therefore, in the 2 to the 17th minus 32, we have 2 to the 17th minus 32 equal to 2 to the 17th minus 2 to the 5th. And the 2 to the 5th obviously is a common factor for these two terms. Here we factor out the 2 to the 5th. We got a 2 to the 12th minus 1. And a 2 to the 12th, we're going to use 2 to the 12th is still relatively big number. So we're going to rewrite this as 2 to the 6 and squared and minus 1. 1 we can consider as 1 squared, obviously. So now these two terms, we can consider them as difference of 2 squared. Use the difference of a 2 squared formula, which really means if you got a squared minus b squared, and that equal to a minus b times a plus b. So therefore, for our case, the a is 2 to the 6, b is 1. So you have a 2 to the 6 minus 1, and a 2 to the 6 plus 1. So now 2 to the 6, that number is relatively small, and because 2 to the 5th is 32, 2 to the 6 obviously 64, we have 64 minus 1, which is 63, 64 plus 1, which is 65. So we continue factor 63 and 65, and 63, which is 7 times 9. 7, which is prime. 9 is not. We can write 9 as 3 squared. So 65, is divided by 5. So here we can write this as 5 times 13. You can see 5 times 13. So now you take a look at all the factors right now are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 13. Obviously, the largest prime factor is 13. So now we are done. So here the answer is 13. That is the largest prime factor of 2 to the 17 minus 32. We're done.